Now, this is the time to invite Mr. Nityananda Janasa, the academic advisor of our school, who has played a pivotal role in shaping the academic excellence of this institution. We now invite him to speak on this auspicious occasion.
Good evening to one and all. Respected President of the meet, Honorable Chief Guest on the occasion, Mr. Devta Sir, Chief Speaker, Jena Sir, the eminent scientists, one of the eminent scientists in the state of Odisha, Secretary of Vinayak Learning Trust and the school, our loving Bulu Sir, Madam Padi Sir in absentia, Panigrai Sir, and the energetic director of Sai Vinayaka International School, Mr. Bhagyadhar Ponda, parents, guardian, and my colleagues, as well as my loving children. It takes 1 year to all the children, they used to wait to celebrate their annual function. Because the education does not confine only the textbook, the homework, the classwork, or the assignments. It's an all-round development. And annual function is the occasion when they used to showcase their innate talents, and that too get the opportunity, and another opportunity the parents get, that they used to see their own children in costume performing in front of them. As Panigrai sir has rightly pointed out, he was highlighting what is the role and responsibilities of the parents. No doubt, the mother is the first teacher, the parents, then come the second phase when they used to come to the school. Dear parents, your children, they spend limited time, say 5 hours in the school, and the rest of the time they are with you. And situation has become so critical after the innovation, or as Padi sir was telling, highlighting about the mobile phones. Naturally, you cannot expect the level of nuisance value which has been developed in the children's head. We are surprised because day-to-day basis we are coming across with the certain problems which is impossible to expect from the children of even 3, 4, 5 like that. In that case, what we should do? This is the need of the hour, that please you spend some time with your children and make it a regular habit of to know and assess the strength as well as weakness of your children. Don't try to hide whatever it may be, his behavior, his temperament, his whatever it may be. Share, because you know parents, teachers, and the children, they combinedly form a triangle. And if all will be conscious about the development of the children, only they can do these things. I tell you that the Sai Vinayaka is a group of institutions comprising school, higher secondary school, and degree college. I must take this platform to congratulate the pioneers who have created a revolution in the field of education in the Samaraipur area, a rural area, under a panchayat, of growing, creating institution after institution. And Particularly, I tell you, Mr. Padi, long before the establishment of, Cyberark International School, since I helped from the educational fraternity, he once, maybe 3-4 years back, that he told me that, Jana sir, I am having a dream to start an English medium school in our locality. And what he dreams, it has come to the reality. We have faced a lot many constraints, but still then, the organizer, the stakeholder, all the members of Cyberark family, they have not returned back. Of course, we are small in size. Within 1 year, completely wasted for Corona. The next years, like that, we are having around 300 students enroll as on today, up to standard 10. And residential facilities have been extended to the parents from distant places. And we are trying not to leave anything. It may be co-curricular activities, it may be sports activities, it may be art, it may be craft, it may be dance, everywhere. And all the time, as Bulu sir has presented in his annual report, you just imagine 300 students, more than 300 projects were displayed on the occasion of the annual exhibition held on 14th November. This shows, I will congratulate the team, the faculty members of Cyberark team, and appeal them that they should renew their energy and vigor so that a day will come that Cyberark will take a stand in this locality. And we are so happy we have got Mr. Devta, who is heading the most prestigious educational institution of undivided Baleshwar. And simultaneously, you will be definitely completely thrilled when you will hear our chief speaker, Professor Dr. Kamalakant Jena, sir. And so with this, I appeal to all of you to maintain, and children particularly, maintain proper discipline. All our children, amidst all the climatic problems, obstacles, for which we have to shift the function from 26 to 28. God has become merciful. The day is fine, the time is fine, and they will encase their performance in front of you. And I will request that in between, no parent should leave the audience till the last item of the function is completed. That's my request to all of you. And I congratulate all the parents who have also extended their full-hearted cooperation and support of sparing the time and sending the children for the little practice which they have done in the school for their annual function. With this, I conclude. Thank you. Jai Ganesh, Jai Jagannath, Jai Sai Vinayak. Thank you.